Adding chapters to YouTube videos both helps a creator express their ideas concisely and precisely, and also enhances the viewer's experience of watching the video. And there is a way to almost automatically make these chapters through a video editing app called Descript. And I would like to demonstrate this. First off, let's open the app. I have this project here. Now to make these chapters, we're going to leverage the marker function of Descript. A marker function is just a way to organize our transcripted material within Descript. It's kind of like a heading for different section of our transcript. So we're going to just click on one of the areas where we want to add the marker. Click enter, empty space. We can then click the keyboard shortcut M, and this brings us the marker option, and then we're just going to start typing that name of our chapter that we want to have. These markers will become the chapter names. So I'm just going to quickly add all the markers here. All right, I have added all the markers that I had wanted to. Currently, I am adding the markers at the end of my project in order to make this video. Usually, I just add these markers as I am editing my video, so this takes no additional work at the end of editing. Alright, so how do we find these time-stamped chapters? For this, we're going to go to this publish button, and here we can see this web link option in this publish tab. We're going to click this web link option and we're going to go to this YouTube option. Now, you don't have to enter your YouTube account or anything. We're just going to go to this description section, and as you can see, in this description section, all the markers that we have added are present along with the time when we have added the markers. All we have to do is just copy this and paste it into the YouTube description. I'm just going to paste them in this area that I use to keep track of my video editing projects. After this, I'm just going to go back here and turn this back to the web link and proceed to publish and download my video, and I will upload the video into YouTube. Now I'm currently in my YouTube studio, and here is the area where I can upload my video description. For that, I'm going to go to the place where I have saved my timestamp chapters. I'm going to copy it by selecting this portion by clicking and dragging, and then click Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy, and then go back to YouTube Studio and paste it here by clicking Ctrl V. And we have our timestamp YouTube description that was created just by making markers as we edit our video. And here's the finished video, and as we can see, the timestamped chapters are present here. Hope this was helpful to you. See you soon.